Yo, what's up, my people? We're back here with another video for you guys from Rae and Kay, and today I actually managed to get Rae in the video. Yeah, and she knows she had to do it because today we're gonna do something awesome for you guys that we wanted to share with you. Yeah,
We are making an ad for brand Rae and Kay Prints.
yes, sir. We got a brand. We do t-shirt printing as a business, and
We
yeah.
just started.
Well, we did just start, and this is our first ad we're going to be making together. So we just wanted to document it and show you guys. Hopefully, you're gonna learn something out of it. You know, I mean, look at that. So we got these cool designs that we made, originals that we're gonna be putting out there, and we want to show you what kind of ad we're gonna do for it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe,
And join the journey.
Voila. Okay, let's do this stuff. Let's get the show on the road. Okay, so we at the first part. We got the light on. We need to put the light off. We got the t-shirt ready, eh? I like that ice cream though. Just hurts the teeth. Ooh.
Oh, yeah. That's close like that. Oh no, but I'm not gonna be that side.
Okay, so like so far we've got this setup going on. Got the little lights in the bottom. Like I don't have any gels, man. I got no gels, so like look at this. Boom! That's an insane light. So we just threw a little yellow t-shirt on it to give it that nice look. Behind this guy right here is our ring light dedication. Yeah. And
Ads on a budget.
budget ads. But anyways, it's kind of cool because what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna start filming now. So the whole idea is I'm gonna walk in, right, and I'm gonna see the shirt glowing just randomly in the living room. Like why, you know?
Why the shirt?
But it's okay, you know, because that's just what we're trying to do. Make it look powerful, dominant. That's the name of the shirt right there. Dominant, isn't it? And then I'm gonna walk in, I'm gonna touch it, some crazy voodoo is gonna happen, and then it's gonna be on me, and then yeah, powerful. So that's kind of where we're at right now. Let's do that. Whoa.
So, Vaughn, how you feeling? Now that you're
Good.
now transformed into a model.
Oh, I'm feeling awesome, and I'm ready to get this video on the road. Right, have a look at that. Oh, sweet, dominant,
And obviously
RKP, Rae Kay Prince. Okay, so now that the setup is ready, let's do this thing, right? go.
That's all for the video.
Yeah, you got it.
I hope you guys enjoyed it.
We really hope you enjoyed it, eh? Yeah, we got some more things coming up from our channel soon, so don't forget to
Subscribe.
yeah, hit the like and
Leave a comment telling us what you think. And
Yeah.
don't be mean because you're the first.
yeah, don't be mean, guys. Come on, don't be mean. You better not be mean, huh? Anyways, we'll see you guys in the next video. That's it from Rae Kay today. Yeah, peace. Like how it randomly shocks you all the time, but wonder why. One, and you ready? So you're just gonna stand there and be like, get you.
Guys, it's your boy Fine. Nah, I'm kidding. It was me, Rae.